Hello, this is Gabriel Morrison, and I'm creating a crossover cable this time. As you can see on this end I have my orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. I've already got it through the insert right here. So this is the first time I've ever used this. It's always been built in on the connectors I've used in the past. This is actually pretty handy. I didn't think I would like it. I do. Alright, so now I have to trim, which I broke my wire cutter, so I'm doing this. Alright, now I want to look through the window side. Push the insert in. Make sure it's lined up all the way. I don't know if you can tell on this phone camera, but yeah, it's touching the end.
Blue is always going to be smooth.
Alright. I want to cut away while I get this end ready for the insert. Alright, thank you. Alright, so this is the other end of my crossover cable. You'll see I have white, green, green, white, green, orange, white, blue, blue, white, orange, brown, white, and brown. The other side is orange, white, orange, green, white. So that's the difference. Alright. I'm just going to trim off the excess. Put the insert in. Make sure it's pushed all the way to the end. Alright, now I'm going to grab the tester and see if it works.
You have support with both the base to keep them aligned.
Alright, and on the tester you can see that they are wired differently, which is what you want. Thank you for watching.